Hey everybody, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So I just finished the video on putting the seat back in. We got all that done. So now we're gonna fire the car up. It's been a long time since we got the tranny back and put it back in. We're just gonna fire it up, see how she moves and drives a little bit. So this will be the first test drive of our new transmission rebuild. Thanks for watching. Alright everybody, moment of truth. Putting her into gear for the first time since we've had the tranny rebuilt. Looks like she's doing pretty good on the first drive here. Like I said, we've done brakes, we've done the tranny, so this is kind of just the first initial test drive. Alright, so we just pulled it back in. We're going to check the tranny fluid right now. I'm sure it's pretty low still. What are we looking like?
Still needs a lot more.
Yep, still needs a lot more. Love Valvoline. So he is outside checking the fluid, but I'm just going to cycle it through the gears. Cadillac is kind of interesting. Reverse is all the way down on the column right here. So we're just going through all the gears. It's kicking in nicely. Back up into park. Our little needle here is broken, so we need to get in there and fix that so that you have a needle to show which gear you're in. Just little nitpicky things that we need to get to over time. But he's going to check the fluid again. Oops, looks like we're adding some more. Like I said, this is the very first time we've done anything to it since we put it back in. So definitely it's going to take a lot of fluid at first to kind of find the level. We're going to cycle it again. Drive nicely. Second reverse kicks in nice. Back up into park. like it drives pretty good. Might need to add a little bit more fluid. We're just going through all the gears right now, kind of testing everything out. Like I said, it's been a while since we've driven her. So, but so far so good. Everything feels great. Do need to do a brake booster rebuild. That'll be one of my next videos coming up because our pedal's pretty hard. We've done wheel cylinders, master cylinder, brake shoes, all that good stuff, hardware kits. So the brakes are completely brand new everywhere, but the booster just doesn't feel great. Our pedal's pretty hard. So that'll be the next thing we do. And I always love Cadillac steering. You can literally steer them with one finger. They are so easy. But yeah, she seems to be doing pretty darn good. Okay, everybody, so for the first initial drive, she did really good. Had to add fluid a couple times, but that's normal. Like I said, just cycling it through the gears, seeing how things are going to begin with. But my next video of this car will be a wash and detail video because it is absolutely filthy, as you could tell, I'm sure, but she's been neglected for a little while. So like I said, thank you for joining today. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. I love classic Cadillacs, and that's what my channel revolves around. So take care, everyone, and leave some feedback in the comments. I would love to talk to you guys. Have a blessed day.